मैं लिटरली अपना माथा फोड़ रही थी. Made my life miserable. Oh my god, to my surprise. Hi everyone, my name is Rin. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share 8 beauty tools or products which are very important and are necessary for every girl and woman out there. There are a few items which specifically cater towards feminine hygiene because that's an important topic we should always talk about. So if you are interested in knowing these beauty essentials, then please keep on watching. I will start with some hair removing tools. Starting off with my favorite razor currently. So I'm using this one from Evior. It has these two gel soap bars in the top and in the bottom, which creates a very nice lather whenever it comes in contact with water, and then removing your body hair or underarm hair becomes very easy. I also enjoyed using the Gillette razors, their Venus Breeze range. That's a really good one as well. It's always not possible to go to salons and get extensive waxing done. So if you are in a hurry, a razor like this will solve your purpose. You can get rid of your body hair as well as your underarm hair very easily using a razor. Next, I'm going to recommend a trimmer. I am using Summer by Slate. I use this specifically in my pubic area because I am not really comfortable going to a salon and getting waxing done over there, or using a razor, because a razor can give you bumps, rashes and cuts in your pubic area, because that's a very soft and delicate area which needs to be handled with a lot of care and gentleness. I have been using this for over 2 years now, and it's very convenient. You just need to charge it once for like 1-2 hours, and then it will give you usage for a very long time. It does not pluck your hair from the roots, so it is very gentle on the skin as well. It gives a very clean trim and it's absolutely painless. So I'm going to highly recommend you guys to try a trimmer. Staying on the same topic, I am also going to recommend these kind of mini razors that you must have. Your pubic area has a lot of curves and bends where a razor might not be able to reach efficiently. So in those regions, you can try out these mini razors. This one is again from Evior, and there are many other brands who do the same, but this is really good. It has this gel soapy bar over here which makes the shave very smooth, and the blades are also not very harsh that you have a fear of getting bruises or cuts. Final product in the hair removal category. This is from the brand Brown. It is basically a face trimmer. I know a lot of you like to shave your face, and I am really scared and not comfortable doing that. So I feel this one is really handy. This is absolutely painless. You just have to twist it like so, and then you can gently just rub it wherever you want to remove your facial hair. I only use it in my upper lips, and I really do not use it too much, only when I have some special occasion coming up, like say maybe a wedding or a party that I have to attend. At the back you just put a battery, and this is going to last very long. From the time I bought it, which is almost a year, I have just used one battery and it's still going strong. Very convenient and definitely a must-have. My next recommendation is going to be a period panty. Now, we girls go through this trauma every month, and we can collectively ask for one product at least which can make our life a little bit easier. And this one out here is exactly so. This is the Ever Eve disposable period panties. For the longest time, I used to believe that these are of no use. It's just a gimmick, until this brand sent this product to me for a collaboration, which we did not end up doing due to XYZ reasons. But they told me that I can keep the product. So I just thought of using it once just to see like what it does. And oh my god, to my surprise, I was shocked to see that this is so nice. You just take a disposable panty and wear it when you are going through your menstruation cycle, and it is going to make your life so easier, because first of all, it is totally made of cotton, so it is not going to give you those rashes and bumps that we have in that area. It's made of breathable fabric, so it keeps that area dry and fresh all day long, and it doesn't matter if you have extremely heavy flow. I went to sleep, wore this on my heaviest flow days. मैं literally अपना माथा फोड़ रही थी कि मैंने इसको क्यों पहले use नहीं किया. And you really do not need to wear even an underwear on top of this. This is so good. This is not going to leak. It's made of beautiful, breathable, comfortable cotton fabric. If there is only one product from today's list that you should and must own, then it is definitely this one. It also comes in different sizes: small, medium, large, XL. So just get whatever you think is your size. Try them out on my saying and you will thank me later, I'm sure. Next, I have this brush cleansing tool. Now, a few days back, I made a video on how to clean makeup brushes and I showed this tool over there. So this is basically a tool through which you can clean your makeup brushes very, very easily. You are just supposed to take any liquid soap of your choice, add some water and just rub your brushes against it and you are going to get squeaky clean makeup brushes. And this is so inexpensive, like आराम से आपको 200-300 रुपए में ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन कहीं पे भी मिल जाएगा. Just dip in 2 of your fingers for a better grip and get your job done easily. The next item is dental floss. I never thought I'll talk about this product ever in my channel until I myself went through a traumatizing dental period, and that is when I realized the importance of flossing. And I know it is not always possible to do water flossing. You might not have access to the correct tools, but if you have something easy like this, you can actually take care of your dental health, your oral health every day at a much easier and convenient method. You can put this portion in between your teeth and just rub it gently and you will see whatever food is stuck will easily come out. You can also use the end, the pointy side, to clean your teeth, but just be careful. I cannot stress enough about how important it is to keep your teeth, your gums clean, because it will prevent you from getting a lot of oral diseases. So I had a tooth which was, not fully out of my gums and there was a hollow space, and eventually what happened, few food used to get deposit over there and I started getting this immensely painful shocks because of this, and it just made my life miserable. I couldn't eat, I couldn't chew, I couldn't do anything, and I had to get that tooth removed. So that is when my doctor suggested me these kind of dental flosses. You can just use them once per day after dinner and just give it like 5 minutes and clean your teeth. Trust me, doing this every day is going to save you in the long run. It will be best if you can use this after every meal, but if that is too much for you then just try to use them once daily. That is what I do currently. The one I use is from Apollo and this is very, very inexpensive. एक डब्बा में बहुत सारा आता है and this is going to benefit you so much in the longer run. The final product that I'm going to recommend today is a nail kit. I am using this one. Now there are extravagant nail kits out there in the market, but I just like to use something very practical. So this one comes with a nail cutter, a scissor, a plucker and a cuticle pusher. I think this is all that I need as a normal average girl. I really don't have time to do my nails extensively like for an hour or so. A kit like this is very, very helpful. It serves the purpose, it does the job. Taking care of your nail health is also very important. So just make sure that once in a month or twice in a month you do take care of your nails as well using a simple kit like this. That is all for today's video. I hope you guys have found this video helpful and informative. All these tools that I showed today are really important. I feel each of them serves some unique purposes that we sometimes tend to overlook, but it is very, very important. Drop in any video suggestion you have for me. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching my video. I will see you guys with the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.